Okay, in this video we're going to look at how I make a new vacuum chamber. This is a Pyrex salad bowl. This is a piece of neoprene, the type used for gaskets, which I just cut out myself. And here's my aluminium plate, which I've just screwed down. Now, of course, I'm not a person with metalworking skills. I'm just going to use a drill to drill through this bit. I'm going to step drill it, which means just using little drill bits and then slightly bigger ones to make it easier to drill. And I'm going to use a spark plug as a ceramic feed through, but you'll see that in a moment. Okay, okay, step one of the drill. There we go, we got a little bit through. Simple as that. Let's keep going. Okay, once you've got the hole, stage two will be to put this in the hole, and you'll need a tap set for that, a drill and tap set. This is one of those sets which screws in the grooves into the hole so that you can screw that in. Try and get one thinner than my one, then you won't have to make such a big hole. But it was the only one I had lying about, so I had to make it that size. Anyway, let's get tapping, and I'm just going to take this and spin it round in there. And yeah, you really don't need to have had any practice with this. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so after a lot of work with this and the spanner, I've got it in. Made a bit of a mess, but you don't worry about that. I'm going to put this tape on now. I'm going to undo it, put the tape on, because this is meant to be gas. It's meant to gas seal it. So it's the yellow one you need, and yeah, that will help with the vacuum. And then I am going to epoxy it as well from the inside. So from under there, I'm going to put epoxy at the top rim just to seal up any gaps. Okay, almost there. I've done the other hole now, and I've already stuck this ceramic spark plug in there. I got it out of a spark plug using a video that somebody put up a while back, Robert Murray Smith. It's not up anymore, unfortunately, but you can still get the spark plug. It's a Champion spark plug, and you've got to heat it up and get the resistor that's inside out, and then just feed the wire through, and you've got yourself a nice feed through for the vacuum chamber. Then we're gonna put that yellow tape on there and screw it into this hole, and I've already cut out my gasket, and it's waiting over here on top of the Pyrex. So we're basically there. I'm going to put some epoxy on these on the inside of these two bits as well, to make sure it's sealed up properly, and then we should have our vacuum chamber. Okay, I've got the epoxy round there now. Going to put some more round here just in case, just to make sure there's no holes there, and of course under. I will do that afterwards. And anyway, after that we put that on, and then hey presto, it should be working. Let's wait and see. Okay, here it is finished. I've put it behind a shield just in case, because it's the first time I'm using it. You never know. Got a couple of shields, one to shield the computer. Let's see if the balloon goes up with the vacuum. So hold on a second, let me get it all sorted. I need to push it down because it's on this polystyrene case to let the gas come out and the high voltage go in. Okay. Look at that. The balloon has definitely gone up there. Okay, so it's all working nicely. Let's give it a try on the fuser now.